Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Remember, if you like our sharing, please like, subscribe, and comment and share. Support us, thank you. So, question 12 is about a number of bonding pairs of electron in this structure acid, eventuritic acid. Maybe you don't know what is this acid, COOH, I remember. So try to draw them out, okay? COOH, you can draw it, of course, you don't know. And two, two. So two of them, COOH, and then they join together. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one ball. So they join together. So it is a structure. Next task is counting time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right, and join together is 1. So how many bonding pairs of electron in the exit? So it is 9. Or maybe you don't know this exit. In IBXM, we already have some new exit come out, and then new chemicals come out, and they have the structural formula, and you try to guess it. You must have some hints. This time COOH is a great hint for us. And then just be brave, be confident, do it, and I'm sure you can do it. And I'm gonna say, well done to you. See you for next question. Bye.